Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Kalshi stop working right after your iPhone updated to the latest iOS? This happens after every major Apple release. Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with trading apps, and a clean restart fixes most of them on its own. After restarting, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now scroll down and look for Kalshi in the available list of updates. Trading platform apps like Kalshi releases iOS compatibility patches very quickly after major releases. Tap update immediately if you see it. If there is no update yet and Kalshi is still broken, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Kalshi in the list of apps. Now offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from there. A fresh clean install is always compatible with your current iOS, and that's it. So all you gotta do is restart your phone, check App Store for Kalshi update, offload and reinstall if needed. Kalshi will be working on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.